Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to copy the format and paste it. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In Power Automate Desktop, if you want to work with the C# code, you need to use the run.NET script action, which is available under the scripting category. And if you want to work with the Excel file, in that case, you need to include the Microsoft.Office.interop.excel library. Apart from that, you need to include certain DLL files as well. interop.microsoft.office.interop.excel.dll and system.data.datasetExtensions.dll. So these are the two files which needs to be included in the run.NET script action to work with the Excel file. As you can see, these two files are available in the D drive and .NET packages folder. So I will include that folder in the references to be loaded. I will click on this folder. Then from here I will choose D drive and then .NET packages. I will just click on OK. Now what I will do is I will copy this and paste it here, and then I'll put .application. I will create an object of it, which is Excel app is equals to new, and then I will copy this entire thing again, paste it here and bracket and put a semicolon. After that I will use Excel app .visible so that you can see the Excel on your screen. Now what I will do is I will create an object of the workbook. So I will name it as workbook. WB is equals to Excel app dot workbooks open, and here I have to specify the file path which I want to open. Here I will remove this double quotes and paste the file path. This is the path of the file, right? Now what I will do is I will create an object of the worksheet ws. Then I will use workbook dot sheets, and then I will specify the index of the sheet. But before that, we also need to do the typecasting. For typecasting, I will just copy this, which is Microsoft.Office.interop.excel, and in the bracket I will paste it, and then I'll put dot worksheet. Okay. Now what I have to do is I have to specify the range. So I will use this worksheet object. Then I'll say dot range, and let's say I want to copy from A1 to E10. Okay, and then I will say dot copy. After that I will specify the range where I want to paste the data. So I'll say worksheet dot range. In the square bracket I will specify the range. Let's say I want to paste it at J1 dot paste special. In the bracket I will use this Microsoft.Office.interop.excel.excel paste type, and then I'll put dot Excel paste formats and then semicolon. So in this case it will just paste the format of this range. Okay. After that I want to set the cut copy mode to false so that the clipboard is cleared. Now what I will do is I will use this Excel app object. Then I will say cut copy mode is equals to, and then I will use this, which is Microsoft.Office.interop.excel.excel cut copy mode dot Excel copy, and then semicolon. Now I will click on save, and then I will run the bot. Here you can see that it is giving error as unrecognized escape sequence. To fix this error, I will open this script, and here before this path I will add at, and then click on save, and then I will run the bot. Here you can see that we have copied this format and pasted it here, right? You can see the column is in green color, right? After that, if you want to save this workbook, you can use this workbook object dot save to save this workbook. And if you want to save this workbook at different location, you can use the save as function, and here you can specify the file path. And after that, if you want to close it, you can just use the workbook object dot close, then semicolon. And if you want to close the Excel instance, right, which was created using this Excel app object, so I will just use this Excel app object dot quit function to close the instance as well. So this is how you can copy the format and paste it in Excel using C# code in Power Automate Desktop. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.